today. You can see we have gone to our farm, and this is a pineapple orchard. This is a pineapple orchard. We actually just weeded them, getting them ready for fruiting. You can see. This camera, can you take it round, right? So we actually have suckers for sale. In case you need suckers for your farm, or that farm you have left, fallow for a long time, you don't need to allow your land to waste. You don't need to allow it to stay like that. We start producing something for you. You need to call us, because these are what we call the species. This species is called sweet Kenya. It is called sweet Kenya. It produces the best and the sweetest pineapple. So you can come for Love for Nature, ask us how it goes, then we'll put you through. Thank you.